Hey there, I'm Nina, and today I'm again here with a very motivating and inspirational video for all of you. This video contains the most precious treasure of my life. There are some of the real time experiences of my students who have taken training from me, and they are sharing their success journey with all of you. I'm sure their experience would surely help you. I would really look forward to hear your success stories too. Do share it in the comment section below, and I have many more stories to share with you. I would be sharing more of such real-time stories in my upcoming videos. I'm sure such videos would inspire you and take you further in your success journey. Stay motivated, stay focused, and always set a goal in such a way that even if you miss to become the moon, you will become one of the stars. So, stay inspired. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone, my name is Hina.
And my name is Akshat.
Nina ma'am, a big smile on her face. Nina ma'am is not only a trainer, but she is like mother to us. So what I believe, what I am here and what I am is just because of her love, care and support. She not only helped me in my professional career as well as in my personal life. So this is a small token to thank you ma'am, a big thank you for all time your love, support and care. Thank you so much ma'am. Here you go.
Nina ma'am, we both met you at SPG. SPG gave us the golden chance to meet you, and if you talk about because of you, I am a cabin crew in Air India. Thank you so much for your love and support and for everything. We love you and we are missing you.
And we exactly do not have words to thanks to you ma'am, that what you exactly mean to us we cannot explain you in words. We love you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
So good evening, this is Shweta. So today I want to share my experience with Nina ma'am, what I have learned from her. She's amazing and she is excellent, and so I really want to thank to her. She has inspired me. She has given me many things. So that's really grateful, and thank you so much, Nina ma'am, for giving me such inspiring things. What I am using now in my life, in my personal life, in my official life. Thank you so much, Nina ma'am. You are amazing.
नमस्कार, कृपया ध्यान दीजिए। ये सूचना उन सभी यात्रियों के लिए है जो इंडिगो की उड़ान संख्या 42 से दिल्ली की ओर यात्रा कर रहे हैं। मैं श्वेता आसेरी, आपकी दुआ प्रबंधक। आपके विमान का अनुमानित समय 6 बजे होगा और हम 5:15 पर दुआ क्रमांक 1 से बोर्डिंग शुरू करेंगे। मैं श्वेता आसेरी, आपकी दुआ प्रबंधक, दुआ क्रमांक 1 पर उपलब्ध रहूंगी। किसी भी प्रकार की सहायता और सहयोग के लिए आप मुझसे संपर्क कर सकते हैं। इंडिगो को चुनने के लिए धन्यवाद, और हम आपके व्यवसाय की सच्चे दिल से सराहना करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
I'm pursuing my graduation from Columbia College, and I'm in last year of graduation. June, I guess. Yeah, I've joined in June, and after 6 months of training, I've applied for interviews. I've given Indo-Thai Indigo interview. So I've selected in both of them, and so if I talk about my interview experience, I think what matters is you have to be very confident for interview. Don't mug up the things. Yes, Neena ma'am will be telling you that in interview you have to say this answer, you have to answer in this way. But at that time, what you believe, just say it in proper manner. Secondly, what they are judging is your English, because this is obvious that you will be going to be the face of that airline or that company, so you have to be very good in English. Second, please, for this sector you have to be very groomed, because grooming is what they are checking on regular basis. In first round, second round, third round, they are like checking grooming at every point of time. Even like after sitting for 2 or 3 hours, if they are calling you for second or third round, you have to be like, your face should not look like you are shattered or you are tired. You have to look very fresh. So this is all about. And yes, I would like to tell you that you really need to pull up your socks, because competition is really high, and we are only 3 or 4 students, or I can say 20 to 25 students here, but there are 150-200 students who are appearing for the interviews, and you have to be one who need to be selected for that. Second, be punctual. If you are like, there is a process of registration, your name, you have to register your name. Like in a walk-in interview, so there you have to register your name. So they already check out that the number of the person. Like if you are on 78 number, obviously they are not giving you much time. I was on second number. When I was giving interview, they gave me 10 to 15 minutes, and they checked my hands that I am having tattoos or not. So this is all about the interview. And yes, we are having very wonderful faculty. Like when I have joined, Neena ma'am was there from day one, and she's a wonderful teacher. She will tell you that, like I can say I was 50% confident when I was here. I joined that, but rest 50% is given by Neena ma'am. So thank you. Every day she will boost you. Like we are the people of 20-21 year age. She's really elder from us, and she's having very much experience, and she will every day she'll boost you. So please listen to her properly, because anyhow, like in any manner, you will face that this is the question what Neena ma'am told us in class, and this is what exactly they ask you in interviews. You have, like, I just want to tell you that yes, this is the right step what you all have taken.
You want to. It's not about Neena, please. Nothing about Neena. Share about your overall experience.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shweta, and I want to share my experience. Just in short. I want to start at first. When I came from Jodhpur, you cannot believe that that time I have a better experience, and you know what the thing what I possess, and that is confidence. That time I don't have confidence. I didn't know that how to speak from front of people and how to react, and I just hide from myself, from others. And when I came here, and every day I was very excited about my classes. Every day I want to come and I want to take the classes of Neena and all the students. I feel very good when I meet them. And now I think I believe that that time my level was there, and now my level is here.
So you have actually started believing in your strengths.
Yes.
Yes? Earlier you did not have self-belief, but yes, she has a self-belief now. खुद पे तो भरोसा करना ही है ना हमें. That yes, I am a strong person. I have qualities. I need to work on that. Let us accept our weaknesses and strengths. That's the fundament of success.
No, every day we do things. Then that time we went to the school, and we are feeling very boring, like. But for this classes, every day I'm very excited about that. That no, I have to go, and I want to go. That's it.
Very nice. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Samantha Rajput, and today I'm here to share my experience with Miss Neena ma'am, who has changed my life so in, like, I would say, so in so many ways, so that I am here. I'm very confident nowadays. Just because before meeting up with her, I was not so confident. I was like little bit shy of kind person. So I would like to tell you that Miss Neena ma'am has changed my life in so amazing way. So I'm very happy that I could stand here. I can stand all alone in difficult time or in crowded area. I can stand up for myself, and I have so much confidence just because of her knowledge, her experience. I feel that, and I'm very lucky. I thank to God that the God has sent this beautiful lady in our life, and I'm pray to God that God has sent this kind of person in everyone's life so that they can be happy, they can be cool, they can be very knowledgeable, very happy, very pure and sweet soul. So I am of her favorite, but I can be more. So I'm very happy that Neena ma'am, thank you so much. You have done a great job for me, for all of your students. You have very great efforts for us, and just because of you, I have so much confidence that I am making this video. So thank you so much, ma'am, and I love you a lot. And I just pray to God you always be happy and always be with us, so that we can stand more in our life. So thank you so much. Keep smiling. God always bless you. Thank you.
Good morning, Nina ma'am. First of all, let me give you my introduction in brief. So, I'm Ranjit Singh. I got selected in Charipinas, and I'm working in Mumbai right now, and I'm having a good experience. So, Nina ma'am, first of all, thank you very much. So, let me give you my suggestion for the students. Yeah, although ma'am is giving you all the instructions and teaching very well, so my suggestion is just a simple one. Just follow the instruction that are given by our mentors. Just don't ask anything, whatever they are saying. They are so much experienced, and you just need to follow whatever they are saying. And after that, my experience in Mumbai. So I have visited to new places. It's my first visit to Mumbai, and it's a big city, heavy crowded, and I every day I meet a lot of people in the airport. The airport is very big, and the climate is very nice or positive, I can say. My team is completely supporting. We do a lot of parties, enjoyment, and celebrations. So, just a simple suggestion, whenever you get selected in the interviews or you join in here, just don't get demotivated by anyone, because there are always people who demotivates you by saying that कि you have done the graduation or you have such a good degree, so why are you coming for this field? Just give them a deaf ear and you will succeed.
Hello friends, my name is Sivyanshi Sharma. I am pursuing Master of Commerce from Kanuria College, Jaipur. Today I want to share my experience of mentor, Miss Neena Sharma ma'am. She is a great trainer, and from her training only I can find myself so confident that I can interact with people by making them eye to eye contact. In her training sessions, activities were full of fun, learnings, and interesting. After meeting with her, I am so optimistic that I find happiness, enjoyment, enthusiasm in my life. As I have learned happiness and success from her only, and Just because of her, I learned how to live a life in today's world. A very big thanks to Nina ma'am for being the bestest mentor in my life, and to all of you also. I would recommend you to just follow her and enjoy the life with full of success. Thank you. Have a great day to all.
My name is Garima Wadhwa. I am from Kishangarh, Ajmer, and right now I'm living in Jaipur. I'm just gonna share the experience which I've got from Miss Neena Sharma. So I used to take classes from her, and I wanted to become a cabin crew. I have worked for Vistara Airline. Right now, I'm not working for Vistara because of some personal reason. So I used to take classes from her, and she used to teach me how to crack interviews, how you can be positive all the time, how you can be focused all the time on your goals, for your dreams, how you can attain your goals. She taught me how interview can ask, they can throw suddenly a question on you, and then how you should answer, the way you should answer, what should be the tone, what kind of answer you can give if you don't know something, then what you can say at that time. So she used to teach us all these things, and all I can say is if I've lived my life what which I always wanted to live, it's all because of her. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for be in my life at that time, because you was the angel in my life at that time, and I have not met a teacher like you, never ever in my life. Thank you so much. And all I can say is just follow whatever she say, and which I used to do, and I got what I wanted. Thank you so much.
When we say women, so women is like it keeps men relation in itself. Women, like, it keeps the mother, daughter, wife, sister, a friend, or
a companion for whole life.
Yeah, companion for of whole life. And I think women is the greatest creation of God.
Women's Day, and I want Neena ma'am to speak something about Gunjan ma'am and Smriti ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Okay. See, if you ask me to give a title to Gunjan ma'am, she's the dawn. She has got solutions for everything. So I would put a crown to her saying that the dawn. Yes. Ma'am is again a very bubbly friend of mine. I can say that she's always full of humor. Yes, all the time she's happy. So I can say that I can give her a title of a person with the best sense of humor.
Yes. And ma'am, about Radhika ma'am?
About Radhika ma'am, Radhika is a very sincere person. Very sincere. I have not interacted much with her, but yes, yeah, I know one secret about her that you don't know. What? She's a wonderful baker. Yes. So I can say that today, on this very special day of Women's Day, I can give her a title of baking queen.
Dribble instructor here, and I just love her training. The way she's giving and delivering the training to the students, she's making my students just super awesome, fantabulous, fantastic. All credit goes to her. As if I will look at your performance now, I will give all credit to her. Thank you.
A title for Neena ma'am?
Best trainer ever. I met ever, like the best trainer. Okay. If I will talk about Smriti ma'am, she's very enthusiastic. With her smiling face gives me lots of energy, and she's very positive. I love her smile. I love her, childness in her.
Ma'am, my title for Smriti ma'am?
Smiling face.
Okay.
Okay, if I will talk about Radhika, she is also very energetic, and the hidden part in that is she is a very good baker, and the title I can give her is my chubby cake.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice. Okay, thank you. Cheer up everyone, it's 8 March, the International Women's Day. So here we are in front of the beautiful lady Smriti ma'am. So ma'am, would you like to speak something about our mentors?
Yeah, happy Women's Day to all. First of all, I would like to speak few words for our most beautiful and attractive mentor, that is Neena ma'am. What I tell about her, whatever I will speak for Neena ma'am, it will be very less. She is a very beautiful person and I would like to give a title to her, that is she is a beautiful lady with brain, that is beauty with brain. That's all, because in this phrase, whole of the thing, the crux of the personality and persona of Neena ma'am is glorified. Second, our captain Gunjan ma'am, and the title which I would like to give to Gunjan ma'am is glorified captain with feminism. She is very pretty by face and by heart. And then Radhika, she is very beautiful not only by soul and face but in all the spheres, and I want she grow very much in her career, and everywhere where she goes she always remain happy.
The title that I would like to give to Smriti ma'am is Jolly Singh, because she is always so happy and so joyful. For Neena ma'am, the title that I would like to give to Neena ma'am is Sonpari, because when I look at her, she very much makes me remember of one of my teachers of English, and she is really very optimistic, very charismatic, and एक वो कहते हैं ना, एक परी आती है और आपको खुश करके चली जाती है, मुझे वैसी फील आती है नीना मैम को देख के, जैसे छोटे बच्चों को आती है परी को देख के, तो she makes me feel really protective and happy at the same time. The title that I would like to give to Gunjan ma'am is Wonder Woman, because she is the strongest